Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm going to go through this piece once and I will do it once more with a slower tempo and I'll show you some of the technique that you can focus on. First thing is that if you can follow my bowing, if you could go back to watch my bow, or I may suggest that you practice something like this. Every quarter note, use a full bow, and that will make you on to the one end of the bow, and then play the next 2/8 notes at that point of the bow. And then the next part also will get you back to the frog and play 2/8 notes here. And then whenever there's a 2/8 note slurs, you use a full bow. Alright, so that way you get to exercise on different parts of the bow and not too fast. Don't play this piece too fast in order to experiment different parts of the bow. And take care that the sound on either end of the bow should sound somewhat identical. I will play it once slowly and give you an example. I'll play the first line twice. So if you could try to do that for the entire piece, a little slower, and make your bow really smooth and really follow through. No stopping in the wrist movement. Second thing is that you could train your left hand, the third finger. It happens very often. Train your third finger to be really in tune with the open string. So every time you come to a third finger, play a double stop against an open string. And in this piece is your third finger on A, which is D. So you play your third finger against open D. And then you have a third finger A on E string, and you play it against open A to make sure these third fingers are in tune. Because if your third finger is constantly in tune, that means that your left hand, the shape of your left hand, the structure or the frame of your left hand is correct. If you have your wrist something like that, then you need to bring it down. Alright, if you have your wrist looking like this, you have to adjust it. So your third finger should be always in a certain very fixed position. And I'll show you. I'll play the second part from second line on. First note. So you play against open A, and here if it's in tune. If it's in tune, that's great. If it's not, you can always adjust. Okay, so. Alright, but your hand should always, your wrist should stay the same spot. That way you get to train your ears to hear on your third finger. And then your hand will feel always the same. The frame of your left hand should always feel the same positioning. And that will really improve the left hand security. Okay, I hope you like my video. I will see you next piece. Bye.